Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Java and the introduction of Java, and we'll finish a Hello World application of Java. So first let's get to the download and install part. Oh, and by the way, we'll use WC School as our textbook. In the future video we'll get to that one by one. So this is our first video of Java. This is the example of the Hello World application. We'll get to that later. So first, let's get to download Java first. For developer, we need to use JDK. So Google JDK, go to the Oracle website. Because I'm using Windows, so I'll download this one. After you download, you just want it and click next, next, next. After you're done, open a CMD window, type in Java version. If everything goes well, you'll see your Java version. So for mine, it's 1.8. This means you have successfully installed Java. So after you're done, you need to open IntelliJ. Okay, so we already have a function. I'll create one to show you guys how to create a new function. I already have one, so I'll use this one. Hello world. We go to the src folder, right click, and create Java class. We also name it Hello World. So this is our class. Our class name should be matched with the file's name. The second thing is we need a main function. To generate a main function, we use PSVM. Hit enter, it will automatically generate the main function. So PSVM is for public static void and main function. This is the argument. We'll get to that later. In our main function, we type s out. Hit enter. It's automatically generate system.out.println. This is for print something out in the console. So we'll type hello world. So this is done. We've done our hello function. Let's want it to see the result. You see, we have this hello world printed out. So this is the hello world application. So how does this work? How do Java want our code? To understand this, we need to understand the concept of how Java works. For Java, everything our code will be run into the Java virtual machine. For Java virtual machine, it only reads this .class file. And all of our code is written in .java files. Here is our source code file. When we hit this one button, it will call the Java C compiler to compile our codes to .class file and then put into the Java virtual machine to run our code. So this is the whole process of how Java works. For our developer, we need compiler and debugger to work. For the user, they only need JIE because they don't need to compile the source code. They just need to run our program. So they only need the JVM and all the libraries. So to be more specific, this is our source code, and this is the .class file that is already compiled because the IntelliJ does this for us. So this is the code. It's compiled. We cannot read it because it's compiled. It's like encrypted. I'll show you guys how this works. So you'll see it's like no one can read it. It's unreadable. It's only for the Java virtual machine to understand this. Let's open the CMD window. So like this, we enter Java and hello world. You see it does the same thing. It prints out hello world. So that means the Java is the virtual machine. We put this file, this .class file, to Java virtual machine, and it will run for us. And this is the result. So in here, like this is the argument. We can do it like this, Java, and then I put because this is a string array, so it takes multiple arguments, like 1, 2, 3. We'll get to that later in our later video. This is just to show you how does it work, because we don't read this, we don't use this, so we don't have code to process the argument, so it only print hello world. But if we do it like this, and then run it again, because we don't have the argument, so we throw an error. But if we do it like this, see, it's 1 because we pass the argument through the command. But here, it didn't add the argument automatically for us, so it threw an error. This is the whole concept of how the Java code works. So yeah, I think this should be enough for today's video. We finished a hello program. So in the next video, we'll talk about the syntax and commands and variable. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment. So this is the syntax. We already done it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next video. See you.